Welcome guys to another class. So today's topic is simultaneous equations, also known as systems of equations. Systems of equations. So this topic appears mostly in IGCSE curriculum and also in SATs, in ACTs, not in IB, because it's quite easy for IB. So let me give an example, guys. So the first example will be 2x plus y is equal to 8, and then the next equation is 5x minus y will be equal to 13. So this is called simultaneous equations, system of equations. So we'll have two equations, first equation and second equations, and two unknowns, x and y. So our goal here is to find the value of x and the value of y. So as you can see here, we have plus y and minus y. So you might think, maybe we can get rid of y's. So let's call this equation as the first equation, alright, and this equation as the second equation. So this y, positive y and negative y, can be eliminated, and this is called elimination method. Elimination. So basically we will get rid of y's. How? I'll show you guys. So we'll sum up the equation 1 plus the equation 2. What we mean by this is we will add the left hand side with the left hand side and right hand side here with the right hand side. So it will give us, let's see, so it will be 2x plus y, okay, and then plus the other one is 5x minus y will be equal to 8 plus 13. 8 plus 13. And then let's expand these brackets. So the one thing to keep in mind is that it's always a good practice to put this inside the brackets. We will see later why it's the case, but for now just let's keep it inside the brackets. And now let's expand it. Minus y is equal to, what's 8 plus 13? It's 21. So now this plus y and minus y can be cancelled out. 2x plus 5x will be 7x is equal to 21. From here, the next step is to divide both sides, the left hand side and the right hand side, by 7. 7 here and 7 there. In this way, 7 and 7 will go away, so we are gonna have x will be equal to 3, because 21 divided by 7 is 3. So we have found x is equal to 3. We can now then use the equation 1 or the equation 2, up to you guys. So let's use the equation 1 to find the value of y. Let me write it here. So we have 2 times x plus y. The equation 1 states that is equal to 8, and then we know x is equal to 3, so it will be 2 multiplied with 3 plus y is equal to 8, which actually means that 2 times 3 is 6 plus y is equal to 8. From here it's easy that y is equal to 2. Alright? So y is equal to 2 and x is equal to 3. So this problem is solved. Let me give you another example, guys. The other example will be 7x plus y. 7x plus y is equal to 10. And the second equation is 2x plus y is equal to 5. So we need to find x and y. As usual, let's call this equation as 1 and this equation as 2. So you might see here there's y and y, so both of them are positive, they have positive sign. So we should use a similar strategy but a bit different. In this case, we're not gonna add 1 and 2 together, we're gonna subtract them because these y's have the same sign. In order to eliminate them, we have to subtract them. So we will do the equation 1 minus the equation 2. Like left hand side of equation 1 minus the left hand side of the equation 2 is equal to the right hand side of the equation 1 minus the right hand side of equation 2. It will look like this. So 7x plus y minus, here we'll have 2x plus y will be equal to 10 minus 5. 10 minus 5. Let's expand the bracket, so it will be 7x plus y minus 2x, and then this minus sign and plus sign will give us minus y will be equal to 10 minus 5 will be 5. So guys, remember that when you have minus sign together with the plus sign, it will give you minus sign. So then you can see there's positive y and negative y, so they will cancel out. And then 7x minus 2x will be 5x, will be equal to 5. From here, we divide by 5 both sides. So this and this are gone, so x is equal to 5 over 5 is 1. So x is equal to 1. Let's find the value of y. So the equation was 7x plus y is equal to 10. Let me write it here. 7x plus y is equal to 10. That's the equation. We found that x is equal to 1, so it's 7 times 1 plus y is equal to 10. Now 7 times 1 is 7, and then plus y is equal to 10. From here it's easy to tell that y is equal to 3. Alright, so this is the solution. So the difference between the problem 2, which is this problem, and the problem 1 was that in problem 1 we had positive y, and second equation was negative y, and the second example we had plus y and plus y. So you see that when you have the same sign, plus and plus, we will have to subtract, and when we have the same sign, the different signs, we will have to add them. That's the rule that you guys need to remember. Alright, so the last example will be the following. 4x plus 2y, let me write it here, 4x plus 2y is equal to 18, and then 3x minus 5y is equal to 7. So you might see that there is 2y, 5y, negative 5y, 3x and 4x. None of them are the same, so we will have to make them the same. How? Let's see how. As usual, let's call this 1, this equation as second equation. So let's turn this 2y and negative 5y into the same number. We can do this by multiplying this first equation by 5, this number. And the second equation we multiply by 2. This is the rule. We multiply 5 by each one of these numbers, even 18, and by 2 each one of these. So in practice it will be like this. 5 times 4x we will have 20x, and then plus 5 times 2y we will have 10y, and then 5 multiplied with 18, we're gonna have 90 here. And the second equation, 2 multiplied with 3x, will have 6x, and then minus 2 times 5y, we're gonna have minus 10y is equal to, and then 2 times 7, it's 14. Now, as you can see, we have 10y and negative 10y. We can now eliminate them. That's our goal. So we have these equations now. Let's call this as equation 1. This is equation 2. So you see, guys, there are different signs. There's plus sign and minus sign. We will need to add these two equations. Remember, when you have different signs, we'll have to add them. That's the rule. So we have 20x plus 10y, and then plus 6x minus 10y will be equal to 90 plus 14. 90 plus 14. Let's expand the brackets. 20x plus 10y plus 6x minus 10y. The right hand side will be 104. And so 10y and negative 10y will cancel out. 20 plus 6 is 26x is equal to 104. From here we divide both sides by 26. In that way, 26 and 26 are gone, so we'll have x is equal to 4. Okay? Because 104 divided by 26 is 4. And then what we had in the very beginning, we had 4x plus 2y is equal to 18. Let's copy down here. 4x plus 2y is equal to 18. We'll have x equal to 4. We have found it out. So 4 times 4 plus 2y is equal to 18. Now 4 times 4 is 16. So it's plus 2y is equal to 18. From here we'll have 2y 16, and then plus 2y is 18. That's why 2y is equal to 2. You know why, right? Because yeah, 16 plus 2 will be 18. So from here we divide by 2 both sides. This are gone, so y will be equal to 2 divided by 2 is simply 1. This is the solution. Alright guys, I hope it's clear. I will give you one example for you guys to solve, and you can comment down below your answers. So the example is this: 5x plus y is equal to 23, and 4x minus 3y is equal to 7. So you guys can find what x is and what y is, and comment down below in the comments your answers. And I hope you found this video useful. Hit the thumbs up, hit the like button please if you like this video. Subscribe to my channel, and it will help me a lot if you just go there down below and just hit the like button. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next class.